I want to show you how to use the Miners Academy Knowledge Base, a tool developed to aid your learning process in the Miners community. So first of all, you need to open your browser and go to the Miners training website, www.minerstraining.com, and you click on enter. Notice that we have 4 items on the top right corner of the screen. We have the home, all courses, crypto KB, about, and the login section. By default, you cannot access any of these 4 options prior to the login if you don't log in. For example, if I click on crypto KB, I don't expect to have access unless I am properly logged in. As you can see, it took me to this login with GoDaddy, which is an error. So all you need to do when you face this challenge is to go back to where you see go to the Miners Academy. It will take you back to the link. So on the top right, you click on login, and now you have the opportunity to enter your login details. Once you are done, you click the button login. So if my details is correct, I should enter. So I'm successfully in the Miners training website. So now I can click on Crypto KB. KB means knowledge base. So a knowledge base is typically a section of the website in which you have access to various guides or instruction on how to do the generic challenges that you might face in your crypto journey. So perhaps we see that there is a lot of frequently asked questions in Telegram. We'll come here to create a guide. Also, for your beginning of your crypto journey, you can create basic lessons here in the knowledge base upon your requests or upon how we see the need. And you can easily come here to search for a guide. So for example, let's start by checking the content. For example, if you are curious about scams, we have, I think, a particular content on scam at the moment. You can search for scam, press enter, and you can see it spread out. There's just one content on scam, avoiding cryptocurrency scam. We're going to click on that, and now it knows the knowledge base. So on the left, you can see there's a group of sections. It is the sections or categories we have for the knowledge base. So introduction, glossary exhibit, defense exhibit, where we talk about different things, such as your defense in cryptos, at the scam exhibit. For this particular content, it has a table of content on the right. So this is a particularly long content, hence the need for even this table of content on the right. So you can easily navigate the content by even using this table of content or patiently go through the content from beginning to the end. And in case perhaps you want to refer back to the content, the table of content will be a good way to navigate instead of having to, scroll up with your cursor, which is going to take time. Another example would be, example you won the Rose token in the challenge. So you may want to search Rose. So as you can see, the Rose is particularly related to the Oasis web wallet network. So you can click on how to set up an Oasis web wallet, right? There's another content that guides on this. So perhaps I search on Oasis. You can see we have 2 contents now. So you have the option of setting up the Oasis web wallet itself, or you can choose to add the Oasis wallet to your browser of choice, just like how would you have set up your MetaMask or your Trust wallet on your browser. For any of them, I can click. So let's say I click the one of how to add to your browser. So now it's loaded. You can see the title, how to add Oasis wallet. You can see the sections from the main, under the defense exhibit, under software wallet, under Oasis wallet, and now you have this content, how to add Oasis wallet to your browser. So you can see this article was created by Isaac Oluwagbemi on the state, and you can see the content. So you find screenshots and step-by-step guide on how to do this. So for example, there's a link here. I could also click the link to get there. Also, you see screenshots. You will notice there are some arrows on the screens that will also help you in guiding in case you do not understand the instruction. Like step 3 says, utilize the search bar to look up the Oasis wallet. And you could be, where is the search bar? So that's why we have these arrows on the screenshots. You can follow these guides, and if you're able to get to the very end, you would have successfully achieved this text. So you can do well to rate the content. If it was very helpful, then you can move to the next content or it is. That brings me to the end of the knowledge base. If it was very helpful, please comment, and whatever questions you might have, please reach out to us at support@minastech.ca. Thank you all.